So welcome back to the channel on this cold Tuesday morning. Last night I come home from work, it's about 2 o'clock in the morning, so I guess early this morning. I did some scraping on this workbench on the corner of it here, and man, it's gonna come out pretty nice. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna start scraping the top of this and getting it done. It's gonna be a lot of work, and I got a broken handle on my wood plane still, so I should have glued it last night, but it just keeps breaking. I need to make a new handle, but I need a workbench first, so stay tuned. I probably spent 30 minutes on it. I only did about 2 foot here, but you can see this before, and this is after. I took the boards from Lowe's and put them like every other one. Had such a more pretty look to it. And then this other lumber store, which wasn't the greatest, but I ended up getting some from there, and they're the more blonde ones. So, but yeah, look at this. If you could see it, just scraping out, there's no gap under there. It is unreal how precise these old tools are. A little bit of manual labor, but really wasn't that bad. You just don't take off too much of a cut. I mean, anybody can do it. Or you can go with a heavy cut and go quicker, but some good sized chips here. A little bit down here, so I'll clean this up before I start again. See where I was stopping. So I did, what is that? Put a tape measure on. 30 inches. About 30 inches where I stopped. So 30 minutes to do 30 inches, and it still isn't done, but it's a lot closer. Frankie down here chewing up his blanket. Frankie. All right. It's a lot different to do it. I'm right-handed. It's a lot different to do it left-handed. It ain't that bad, but this handle's killing me. Piece of junk. My feet are sliding on the sawdust on the ground. It's hard to keep it cleaned up. take long to get your heart rate up. Fat truck driver. You can hardly keep the mess up trying to work around here. Oh boy. Man, it's gonna look really good. Put that boiled linseed oil on there. They said just keep applying it till it drinks it all up. It's pretty solid, doesn't move at all, not a bit. So especially taking off that much, you know, across 8 boards at a time, it's not even budging it. I still got to level it out a little bit better. So, yeah, here's the before and after. "32 degrees, she fired right up."